This is my most favorite lunch. Amma makes it in 5 minutes because we all love it.
To make it, peel potatoes, put them in water, chop them roughly, dice them into any shapes because we are going to pressure cook it until it is very soft for about 3 whistles. Smash them. Pour the smashed potatoes into a vessel. If tiny pieces remain, that's okay because it's going to add nice texture to the very watery sadhu. To the mashed potatoes in the vessel, add enough water to make it very watery. It will thicken on cooking and it will further thicken on cooling down. So keep it watery to begin with. Add in rock salt according to taste. Add in green chilies according to taste, depending on how spicy they are how spicy you want your sadhu to be. Soak crystal asafoetida in water so that you can dissolve it very well. If you don't have it, you can use asafoetida powder too later while tempering. Add dissolved crystal asafoetida to the sadhu and bring it to a boil. Let it cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Once the raw flavors disappear, green chilies cook and the curry thickens a little and flavors combine well, put off flame. Temper the curry using mustard seeds, curry leaves, dried red chilies and asafoetida powder if you haven't used crystal asafoetida before. Enjoy hot with steaming hot rice.